Hello, everyone. My name is Crystal Jade. And for those who I have not had the privilege of meeting, either through a teacher training course or an Erasmus project such as the Blended Learning Project, I am a blended learning teacher trainer as well as strategic learning environment designer. All right. So what is the purpose of this video? The purpose is to address a very important concept, which is that of blended learning. The reason we have to do that is because when conducting research in 7 partner countries through the Social Blend project, we found that although teachers were aware of the term blended learning, they were confused about its core mission as well as how the method works. Specifically, they often confuse blended learning with technology integration, and those are not the same thing. So very quickly, let's look at a few examples. If we're in our classroom and we're using smart gadgets, like a smart whiteboard, is that blended learning? No, it's not. If we are in our classroom and our students use a laptop to take notes while we're teaching, is that blended learning? No, it's not. If our students go home and as homework, we ask them to access the LMS, so a learning management system like Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams. And their homework is they have to watch a video about Pythagoras theorem. And then the next day when they come to school, if in the classroom we focus on the application of the knowledge that was taught through the video, is that blended learning? That is blended learning, and specifically it uses the flipped classroom method, because it also uses an LMS system, which is hosted online. And what happens in the LMS directly informs what is happening in the classroom. Blended learning is a solution-focused training method that focuses on strategic instructional design. Its why, as in its purpose, is being of service to the student. The way it achieves that is by acknowledging that the one-size-fits-all teaching formulas do not work. And it directly focuses on addressing different mastery levels in the classroom by strategically using its models, which there's many, and elements to enable effective differentiation. To assist in doing that, it has a learning management system that is hosted online, which, as the term alludes to, it focuses on managing the learning and teaching process. Blended learning's focus does not lie with its tools, technology, or online environment. It's simply about great teaching. And because of that, it asks the question, how can I use X, Y, Z to serve my Y, which is being of service to the student? The LMS is there to help manage the strategic decisions and offer students the ability to learn how to learn at their own pace, because again, all students learn at a different pace and come to the classroom at different mastery levels. And it does that while creating an evaluation and feedback loop that empowers the educator to effectively differentiate instruction and reach students' needs, which of course are different, but could be shared amongst different students, and therefore it allows for dynamic grouping, which is not a concept we'll go into right now. To be clear, blended learning is about strategically and intentionally using its elements, tools, and models to give educators more quality time with their students. One of the best definitions out there is that provided by Professor Diana Laurillard. Blended learning, we can say, is a mix of traditional and digital technologies that are blended together in a way that helps learners learn more productively. They use their time better, they achieve more. It can take many forms. So let's be clear, it can take many forms. All right, that is it for now. If you're interested in high quality blended learning and how to practically implement it in order to best help your students, we would be more than thrilled to support you. So just write it in the comments and we will get back to you. See you soon.